Well, good evening, everybody. It is Friday night. I am done with work, and I thought I'd ride the Triumph up to the local car show. I'm still breaking in my Corbin seat. It is very comfortable. I like it a lot. It looks great. When I get to the car show, I will take a little bit better video of it. I did take the backrest off, as I know many of you thought it looked ugly as hell. I have to agree. I think I'll only use it when I need to strap luggage to. But yeah, so I am going to a car show at a place called Bob's Big Boy. It's basically the essence of Americana when it comes to cars from the 60s. It is a drive-in restaurant or diner where they used to roller skate out, and very Happy Days, like if you've seen Happy Days, like Arnold's in that show. But this is a franchise that's spread all over the United States. Actually, it was owned by someone else on the East Coast, but this was one of the first ones, I believe. And I think they still do the drive-in thing, only on weekdays though. But yeah, they have the car show every Friday in the summer, or probably 9 months out of the year. So I figured I'd hang out up there, grab a coffee, look at some cool cars. They always have some nice ones. Chick-fil-A. Closed on Sundays. Oh, this guy's walking across the street. Watch out, buddy. The cool thing about this car show is they always have some bikes too. They always park in a certain spot, so it's cool to talk to those guys. It's cool to see the cars. It's usually a lot of the same dudes. Can't go wrong with a little Johnny Cash. A little tight to get in between these dudes. I think these guys will appreciate the Triumph. like non-catalytic converter, classic car exhaust smell in the air. Here in California, they are very strict. And if your car is newer than 1976, it has to be smogged. So all of these cars, for the most part, have the luxury of having open exhaust, and they're real stinky, and you gotta love it. So that's a classic taste of Americana. Every once in a while you see something from Europe around here, but mostly American cars, the big three as they call it here. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is just a quick car-centric, I guess you'd call it, vlog here. But if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And coming soon, I'll post it right here if this is in the future when you're watching this. And there's a loud Yamaha right there. But I will be doing my exhaust on this pretty soon. I got the Vance & Hines for the Triumph here. So until next time, see you later.